It was a packed courtroom today as the trial against a Somerset County woman accused of killing her roommate 3 years ago got underway. Erin Everett is accused of killing Tory Minnick by shooting her twice in the head and then bludgeoning her with a hammer. It happened at their home in Jerome in March 2011. Now, a jury isn't trying the case, but rather a judge. It is a decision made by Everett last month. And today, several key witnesses took the stand, and there was some shocking new information released. Maria Miller was there today, and she joins us with those details. Maria?
Well, Jen, not only did the defense admit their client, Erin Everett, is guilty of the crime, they told the judge the victim, Tory Minnick, was her best friend and partner, the two romantically involved. And even when the prosecution said they had evidence to show that Everett planned the attack, the defense still didn't contest it, but told the judge they planned to show Everett wasn't in the right frame of mind when the murder happened, and told the judge it could have been avoided. The Somerset County District Attorney began opening arguments Wednesday morning, telling the judge about all the evidence and witnesses she would be presenting during trial. And she talked about the crime scene, detailing blood police found throughout the house, alleged murder weapons that were hidden, including a gun and a hammer. She even discussed a fabricated story she says Everett at first made up about an intruder breaking into the home and attacking them before she allegedly came clean and gave a full confession to police. Several witnesses took to the stand, including one of Everett's friends, who prosecutors say texted her help on how to buy ammunition and load a gun the night of the murder. That man, William Nair, is also facing charges as a co-conspirator to the crime. On Wednesday, he said the girls were a known couple and said Everett got mad when Minnick started seeing her ex-boyfriend. It's the reason why he believed she planned the attack. But also in opening arguments, the defense didn't deny Erin Everett committed the crime. In fact, the defense said Everett herself will take the stand and tell all of it to a judge during the trial to show what was going on in her head. The defense said it felt the murder could have been prevented if Everett was simply told don't do it by the friend she was texting. Instead, they said he led her on. The defense said Everett wasn't in the correct frame of mind, and that's what they plan to show, telling the judge from their perspective the case is a third-degree murder conviction. And if that's not the verdict that's reached at the end of this trial, the defense has already alluded to an appeal on grounds that they weren't able to use an expert to testify about a diagnosis they believe Everett had that may have caused her to act in the way she did. That expert was denied by a judge last year. Now, this trial will resume tomorrow morning. Reporting live, Maria Miller, 6 News.